Google Fiber is going to start testing 2 gigabit internet for $100. How exciting is that? I'd pick that up. 2 gigabit, I love it.
Oh, yeah.
$100. Okay, let's do it. Of course, this is only going to launch in certain markets. Fiber, they've got this, apparently they've got a commitment towards affordable fiber in the regions in which they do business. And up until now, they've had 100 megabit per second plans. Oh, they've dropped the 100 megabit per second plan. They've got the 1 gigabit plan going on. Mm-hmm. And of course, if you're Google, you care very much about fast internet. That fast internet unlocks all your various services and advertising to end users. They're streaming. It unlocks fast YouTube, so they can put their ads in and everything else. And so, anyways, they're speeding it up to the next level. $100, 2 gigabit download, 1 gigabit upload, and this is only $30 more than the pre-existing gigabit plan, 1 gigabit plan, single gigabit plan. Subscribers will be provided with an unspecified Wi-Fi 6 router and a mesh extender. Google Fiber says it can offer faster speeds due to its approach to network design. So you don't need any hardware. They got the hardware. They do sell their own dedicated networking stuff that you could plug into your current modem. But in this case, it's all in one. It's all together and presumably fairly quick. It's going to be available next month in Nashville, Tennessee, and Huntsville, Alabama for the preview period. It will eventually start rolling out in other cities in the fall. It's currently available in 19 cities, Google Fiber. So those cities that already have Google Fiber products will likely see this 2 gigabit thing roll out in the fall. Exciting times for fiber users, exciting times for internet users, those with a need for speed. I didn't plan on doing that.
That was good.
It was a good name for a game.
Need for Speed?
Yeah, Need for Speed.
Yeah.
Do they still make those games?
Yeah.
Yeah.